So for natives chant, we are in 5/8 and we have very similar rhythm that we had in 26, but we're adding in those 16th notes. Ooh, it looks so scary. It's not though, because our 8th note is the beat. So our 16th note is just like an 8th note. So it's going to be really simple for us. We have D, D, and it's really slow. Look, it says adagio. Our 8th note equals 69. So it's nice and easy. D, D, F, G, D, da, da, da. So the way I'd count that, 1, 2, da, 5, 1, 2, and da, rest. 1, 2, da, 5, da, da. So let this piece really sing for you. The key that we have one flat. So that tells me it's F major. However, we're starting and ending on D, so we're in a D minor. So let it get a little bit spooky in your ear. And we have that B flat, but we're not playing a B flat, so you don't have to worry about that low one. We haven't introduced it, or she hasn't introduced it in the book yet, and so we don't have to worry about it. We just have those low twos on the D and the A string. All right, so let's do number 27. This is at 69 for the 8th beat, or the 8th note, and nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.